So you learn how to cherry pick a particular commit from another branch and apply it to the current branch. But what if you're only interested in a single file, not a whole commit? Let me show you how to bring a given file from another branch into the current branch. So for this demo, I'm going to create another branch called feature/send email. Now in this branch, I'm going to make a change to our table of content file. So echo river to table of content.txt. Now, let's make a commit and say update table of content. Now let's say we want to bring this table of content file to our master branch. So first we switch to master. Now we're going to use the restore command. You learned about this earlier in the course. So we type git restore --source, or we could use -s for short. We set this to our target branch, feature/send email. And then we specify our file name, in this case, table of content.txt. Now, earlier I told you that sometimes Git cannot interpret the file name. So in those situations, we have to add double hyphens here to separate the options from the file or the files here. Now, when I run this command, Git is going to restore our table of content file in our working directory from the latest version of this file stored in this branch. Take a look. So our working directory is dirty. Let's get a short status. So we have some local changes in this file. We can view the content of this file using the cat command. So cat table of content.txt. So this is the change that we applied in our feature branch. Now we can stage the change and commit it in the current branch.